So in the concatenation of vector, it's basically adding two vectors. I mean, like I was giving you an example of convolution neural network, right? So I will have an image. I will have an image. What I need to do, I will cut these pixels and I have to make time series data, right? So this may be like I can say A of 1, A of 2, etc. I need to cut this. So I need to put here this is A of 1 and A of 2, so on. So this will convert my spatial data into time series data. The same way, if I take this example, M and K are my two matrices, and these are two matrices with two vectors. Okay, not matrix. Matrix still we haven't done. So if I want to join this, two ways I can join serially also. If I join this, it will become M and K, right? So this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and L will be continuing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will join as a single vector. And this is actually, I have put this semicolon, right? So it will be like this. First M will be there, that is all the elements of this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in next row, we'll have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is something like different matrices or like different vectors will merge into single vector. So concatenation is same way. Like in the C programming also we'll have that concatenation concepts, right? Concatenation of, maybe you have taken like example of concatenation of two strings. For instance, my name like Hari and Prasad. We have two different names. We can concatenate and we'll make like single name, first name and last name. We can concatenate and make a single name. We'll see how we'll do it in the MATLAB.
Hello, sir.